What's up, guys? Dr. Heels here, your stream cleric. Yeah, no, let's not. I thought I would try something. We got stream doctors and senseis and jedis and all kinds of crazy stuff. Anyway, moving on. You read the title of the video. I'm going to show you 5 social media graphics that as a streamer you need to master, and we're going to do it all in Canva. So let's get to it. All right, guys. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Canva. I have it right here, all ready to go. And if you want to take a look real quick, what we're going to be making today, it will be these 5 graphics. So we'll be making this going live graphic that we have right here that I think looks super fresh. We will be making this here a little bit different style challenge graphic. So if you're doing some sort of challenge on stream today, you can make a super cool challenge graphic and of course change it however you like. We'll be making this giveaway graphic, making this schedule graphic, and we're making this need a team. We're looking for a team graphic. If you need any of those things, this is the video for you because we're gonna be making them right now. And guys, if you're not already, be sure to follow me over on Twitch. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We do a lot of this live on stream. Actually, we're streaming this right now while we're recording a video. We're having like streamception, YouTube stuff's happening. Anyway, you should come hang out sometime. We have a great time. With all that said, let's get to designing. I want to. All right, create a design. I'm gonna go with I went with Instagram post. Yeah, Instagram post for our size. And of course, here you can really go with whatever you want. You can go with the story. You can go with the logo, which is 500. I forget what Twitter's size. So specifically for Twitter, maybe look up that size, and then you can manually punch it in here, right? But we're gonna go with the Instagram size. So I'm just gonna click this one. And all I'm going to do for most of these graphics is I'm going to find templates and we're going to utilize them to make some really great graphics. You can kind of see the templates already right here, but I'll show you how to scroll through and find something that looks really good. And the first one we're going to make is going to be this one right here, this going live graphic. And so if you just scroll down and you keep looking through these different categories, look at the style, what kind of fits your brand. And what you can change, of course, you can alter every color in here. You can alter every shape, every font. Everything is completely customizable. And so you need to go there. So here's all I did is I grabbed this one. And then I'm going to select this one right here. And I know I'm going to take it down to 80. And then I'm going to type in going live, just like that. By the way, Horizon is a great brand font. If you have not already chosen your brand fonts or colors, this is a great place to start. I'm looking at some of these graphics that's been pre-built by incredible artists. Great place to start with your own branding. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this one right here and we're gonna take it down to the same size. So let's knock it down to 80 and let's type in going live on it as well. From there, I'm just gonna hold down my Alt key and I'm gonna drag down, holding my Shift key to keep it straight. Let it snap in place and do it one more time. Just like that. All right, then I'm going to put in my link here. So I'm gonna change this word apparel out for Twitch. .tv. I'm going to change this one to Dr. Heels. Speaking of which, if you've not already visited twitch.tv/Dr. Heels, now's the perfect time to do it. All right, now we're going to swap out this picture for something else, and I decided to go with Warzone, but you can pop in whatever game you want. Actually, let's go for Fortnite. Let's go for a Fortnite background. See what we can find. You want something that's kind of interesting, that has a narrow profile that you can focus in on. And I'm kind of liking this one right now. Let's try it out. I'm going to right click and copy the image. I'm just gonna click on there and paste it in. And there you go. Put it right here, and then I'm gonna size it till it's as tall as I need. And then from here, I'm just going to grab the size and crop it in. Just like that. And that already is pretty good. But I want to go to effects and see if we can't make something interesting happen with it. In Canva, you have access to all these different effects that you can put on literally any image you want. I like to use these glitch effects. And maybe do something. I think a mirror would look kind of wild. It does look kind of wild. Mood stone. There we go. Full radiate. Go with the radiate, and here we can actually adjust it. Bring it in just a little bit. Adjust our angle a little. And like that, I kind of like. I can also go to filter at this point and play around with colors. If I wanted to do that. I don't, because I think it actually looks pretty good the way it is. But yeah, from here you can maybe go into duotone if you wanted to make it a green or something of that nature. I want my shadows to still be kind of dark, like black. and we want to give it our like lime green color. Anyway, you can mess with any of that you want to. There's a lot of control that you have inside of Canva, inside of like pictures. I actually want to undo that. We're just going to click undo until it goes back to normal. And there we go. There is our going live graphic. Let's move to the next one. All right, guys, the next graphic we'll be working on is going to be this one right here. This is our challenge graphic, specifically a Nuzlocke. It says Pokemon Nuzlocke tonight at 11 p.m., which if this is Sunday or Wednesday for you, that's happening over on twitch.tv/DrHeels. All right, I'm done. I'm done with the cringe plugs. First thing we're going to do is delete all of this. That Nuzlocke really has been kicking our butts, though. No lies. I'm going to go all the way through. I think I went with animated. I think animated is where I found it. Yeah, so it's right here. It's actually this one. As you can tell, I didn't change much, but you have that complete control. You can change all of this. I can make this background black. I can make these squares. I can go back to that green color we had earlier, right? The pink. Oh, I don't know. I'll make purple, blue. I'll make I don't know, blue. Like this is getting to be a terrible color scheme, but you get the point. You can completely match your brand. Actually, let's just go with Dr. Hill's brand colors, okay? So let's switch it out to our brand colors. Let's make that pink and not white. Change it out to fit your colors however you want. And now we're gonna go through and change some things. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this coffee cup. I'm gonna go to elements and I'm gonna type in Pokemon and see what I can find. And as you can see, there's a lot of elements. A lot of these are pro, so you actually have to pay to use these. But I actually have a link down below for a 30-day free trial of the pro account if you would like to use that. And use any of these, I mean, literally for Pokemon or Fortnite. If I can type today. For League of Legends. There is all kinds of icons and stuff in here for pretty much any game you can think of. For this one in particular, we're doing Pokemon. And I think I used like this little gotcha one. And so I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to size it down, something like this. Place it where I want it to be. And I'm going to make it my purple color. I'm actually going to change the text. Well, and there we go. We're going to change this up here to, you know, Pokemon block out. Type in whatever you want. This is all up to you. I think it's just a cool little graphic we have here. I'm going to change this box. I want this to be my purple. I want the inside to be white. Little heart, I don't think I can do anything about. Oh, I can change the color. Move this to where it's clicking on the heart again. Like that, right there. There we go. Then you can put something like, comment below, right? Okay, there you go. You have something going for you. And the more I look at this, the more I really just want this to be white. And there you go. You have something like that. You have a graphic ready to go that's pretty interactive, that encourages people to comment on your post. There you go. Pretty easy one right there. All right, guys, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hit duplicate. Delete all this because we don't need it anymore. Now we're gonna go back and check what graphic we're actually making. There we go. So we're doing the giveaway. This is the one graphic I'm not like crazy about, but you know, we'll see. So we're gonna go back to our templates. And now we're just gonna look through some templates, see if we find one we like. The main thing with Canva, guys, is you don't have to be a designer. You just find something that looks good and you alter it to fit your brand, and I love that. All right, so what I'm looking for really is I'm looking for something that has a nice clean layout, but has a place that I can put an image, okay? And so I'm just scrolling at this point. We'll go down here to the all result, and you know what? Let's go with this. We'll keep this, and we'll go with right. There we go. We have our giveaways. That's fancy. Is that a font? Oh my. That's pretty. All right, there we go. Just stuff like that. No, make it look good. Yeah. There you go. We're gonna keep this alive. We're gonna go ahead and throw in a picture of a shirt right here. So I'm just gonna go to photos. I'm gonna search shirts. I want a picture of someone wearing it. So let's go. There we go. Now I'm just gonna crop this into the size I want. Size it down a little bit so we get about the right height. There you go. And you have something like that. And I'm gonna position it backwards so that it's behind this little orange dot. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. about 100%, maybe a little bit further, because I'm going to throw my logo on that. So I'm going to go to elements, which I already have. Just kidding. I'm going to go to uploads because I already have it previously in there. And I'm just going to hit my little Dr. Heels plus sign. Not going to crop it. I'm going to grab this one. Damn. Be a little fancy pocket print. There we go. Just something like that. And there we go. You have a giveaway. And again, all these colors you can change and make them any color you want, fit your branding. You know, maybe make this your link, because what's a social media post without your link in it? And there you go. You have a giveaway graphic. I like this better than the other one, actually. But there's a simple, quick giveaway graphic. And remember, any of these graphics you have, you smash that animate button and make something kind of cool happen when it comes up on your social media, right? Like, that one's pretty. Let's see. Oh, where it eases in. Yeah. There we go. I like that one. That tectonic where it kind of eases in. What about neon? Might be a little hectic. We just have it pan in. Don't forget it. Let's go with the tectonic. I like it. Add a little bit of interest in what's happening. And there we go. Quick and easy social media graphic. We're going to smash that duplicate button. We're going to start all over again. And what are we making this time? All right, next is going to be our schedule graphic, which I actually really liked how this one came out. So let's get into knocking this one out. I want to say in this template, I only use like 1 or 2 pieces of the template itself. So maybe I got this one from the animated. Again, whatever you're wanting to make, look through these templates, find something that fits your brand and your style, and kind of go forward with that. I'm just gonna go under my recent because I know it's this one right here. And so all you do is pull it up. I believe I kept the same font, but again, you can change it to whatever font you have, whatever font you use, and go from there. So I'm just gonna pop in here, new schedule, and extend it so I don't have to break it into 2 lines. New schedule. I'm gonna put down here. If you guys haven't caught all these shameless plugs where I'm typing my channel name in everywhere and you're not already following, you should just be ashamed of yourself. Making me go through all this work. I'm going to ungroup that so that I can bring this a little closer because I'm not a heathen. There we go. All right, now I'm going to alt drag this to make a copy of it. I'm going to size it back down to say 48. We'll try it right there for a minute. And we're going to type in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's how the days of the week go. Click this. We're going to go line height. And we're going to, oh, nope. We're going to click off. Then we're going to select everything. Go line height and increase it until it's just about where we want it. I think that looks pretty good. And we'll try now moving it on over here. And if it fits this area, doesn't that great. So I'm actually going to bring it down to 40. Maybe up my line height. Something like that. Pretty good. Do our best to center it on this orange bar. Not in my way, and I'm not constantly clicking it. And there we go. So now we have our days of the week. Now what we're going to do is drag this down once more, sort of center it there, and I'm going to change my size, something a little bit bigger than it was. I think we set it at 42, so I'm going to try to set it at 56. That way our time is a little more prevalent. So from here, I'm just going to type in my time, which the time I stream is 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. most days. All right, and we're just going to copy and paste that all of them. 7 times. Select all of them and space that down till it's, I think once you get it even with the Sunday, the final one down there, you're pretty good. And now you can go in here and change whatever you want. Like, so y'all know I don't stream on Mondays. I do, however, play D&D on Tuesdays from 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. If you're wondering. Stream from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. on that day. Then on Thursdays, I actually stream from 8 a.m. typically to 2 p.m. So you just punch in your actual schedule here. Any day you don't actually stream, you just pop in and not there, whatever you want to put. And there you go. Now, obviously, this graphic doesn't really fit, so let's pick us something. We did Fortnite already. Let's go with League of Legends. That's what I did last time. Erasing the all caps. So here you go. You're just going to find a graphic you want. I like typing in the word background if I'm looking for a background because it shows you obviously different things. And this is the one I used. Quick little hack, and I may do a video on a bunch of these like little tips later on. but also like to type in, if I'm looking for a specific character for like a thumbnail, you type in PNG, and then a lot of times you'll get these like transparent ones. And if you get tools, go to color and go to transparent, it's only going to show you pictures with a transparent background. So this is brilliant for a thumbnail, right? Actually, let's use it. So let's pop this picture in here real quick. We're going to replace the background with it. And then I'm actually going to add a filter on it. Make it sort of grayscale, something like that, I think. And then I'm going to grab her. Pop her in here real quick. A little smaller than it was. So that's actually not that great of quality. So let me find one that is better quality. All right, right here we found her. She's pretty a pretty big size image. So is this one. I guess now at this point it's just whatever we want. Something interesting happening here, but that looks fairly low quality. Oh, never mind. All right, let's go with this one. I know nothing about League of Legends. I apologize if this is your game. But there you go. Put it over here in the corner. Resize it up just a little bit. I like how it's actually coming into that. And now I'm going to kind of put it behind everything else. Actually, you know what? I like this little bar being behind her. So her leg is like kind of over it and it's kind of overlapping. And I like how this is going over it there. I think that looks really good. So there you go. You have a quick and easy new schedule graphic. Now, if you want anything to pop just a little bit more, you can click on that, go to effects, and maybe add a slight drop shadow. I like to make my drop shadows black. I don't like really how you can see them. And here you can also up your transparency. You can lower it. You can add a little blur to it. I like to add some blur. And I like it to be a little closer to my text. I just wanted to pop out a little bit. I want it to be a very subtle drop shadow. And that's if you even want it. Don't want it, just click. There you go. And there we go. There's a quick and easy schedule graphic. And all right, guys, from here, we're going to go and smack that duplicate button. And I think we're doing our last graphic, right? That's right. We're doing our Warzone Need a Team graphic. So I'm going to get rid of literally everything. We're starting back from scratch. Get out of here, background. You go find the template you want. I'm just going to go back to my recent because I looked for it and found it. There it is. It's this one right here. If you want this template, search for it down through there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to immediately take out that background and I want to make it black like it was. And what I did is I went and looked for I actually searched inside of here, inside of photos for Call of Duty thing. Yes, and I found this guy. And so I'm going to pop him in. I don't want him to be the background. That's the thing. I need him to not be the background. And what I'm going to do here is I'm sizing him up quite a bit. Then I'll send him to the back. So this square's in front of him. Now what I want is I want him to actually come through this so that his gun's like sticking through and his arm's sticking over this and he kind of looks like he's overlapping it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make a duplicate. So I'm going to click on him. I'm going to click duplicate just like that. I'm going to line it up the best I can and we'll line it up a little bit more. I'm going to go to effects and do background remover. Now background remover is a pro tool, but again, I have a link down below for a 30-day free trial of Pro. If you want to try it out to make this graphic, go for it. It gets you 30 days. It's pretty awesome. All right, now as soon as the background remover tool is done, let's even him up in there just like that. I'm actually going to bring and crop it out just like that. And there we go. We have that overlapping style. I think it looks really, really good. I am going to send him backwards behind my text. And now I'm going to say, looking, need a team, and we'll say, there we go. You put whatever you want in there. We can size it down just a little bit if we don't want it too on top, too overlapping. But there we go. Just like that, you have a super easy graphic. And hey, what is a graphic? You can throw your little twitch.tv/drheels down there in the bottom if you want to. All right, guys, just like that, that's how you make 5 social media graphics that as a streamer, you need to master. Knocking it out in Canva, just using templates, making stuff super dope to fit your brand. Remember, because on the Dr. Heels channel, we're all about building a bomb brand on a budget, preferably for 0 monies. And that's why I have that free 30-day trial down in the description below. Guys, if you're not already, be sure to follow me over on Twitch at twitch.tv/drheels. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Would love to hang out with you there. Yo, go out and have a great week. And wait just a moment, because I'm about to show you a dope Twitch clip and show you a video that YouTube thinks you might like. All right, I'll see you guys. Oh my God.